document, paragraph tag and pre-formatted tag. Let us start with it. See, right now I have written a program over here. As you can see in body part, there are two paragraphs. But when I see the output of this tag, this program in browser, they are showing only one paragraph. Why this happens? This happens because of the HTML's format. Whenever you write any program in HTML and looks the output in browser, the browser will ignore all the white spaces. Now, what we include in white spaces? So in white spaces we include enter key. In white spaces we include space key and tab key. So let's check how it works. See here, assume that I'm using a tab key over here. Okay, same way I'm using a space key over here and I'm using enter key over here. Now saving this file and then save. Now look at the output. Okay, I'm refreshing the page. There isn't any effect now. Why? Because just I told you that your browser will ignore all the white spaces like enter key, space key, multiple space key, that means, and tab key. Okay, so instead of using enter key, multiple space keys, and tab key, it will show one set. Okay, let us look at here. I have used tab keys over here before the Germany word. So same way here, you can see only one space is there. Okay, same way after the path I have used multiple spaces, but they are still showing only single space at here. Okay, so that is the reason that browser will ignore all the white spaces. Now what happens if I want two paragraph in my file? I want to use two paragraphs, but they are not showing. Like see here. Okay, I made two paragraphs, but they are not showing it. So how to use those paragraph here? So to include paragraph, you can use p tag. Okay, it starts with p and ends with slash p. Same way here. One more thing, in last paragraph of your file, if you will not add p key, it will work a little bit same as the paragraph. Okay, it will not have all the attribute of the paragraph tag, but it will look like a paragraph. Let us check here. So saved this file and I'm using refresh over here. Okay, so you can see there are two paragraphs now. In second, I have not used the paragraph tag, but still it is showing as a paragraph. But what happens here? Assume that I am adding the third one. Assume that I am using something here. Uh, Computer is an electronic device. Okay, let's see what happens here. Let's check it. Refresh. Still there isn't any difference. Okay, so sometimes it happens with the paragraph tag. It seems like if you will not use in some of them, some paragraphs, it will look same as the paragraph. But what happens here, assume that I want to add some attribute like align equals to center. I can use align equals to center here also. Align equals to center. Okay, save and then refresh. Okay, so I have added some attribute to the first paragraph, to the third, and to the third paragraph. I cannot use it with the second. Why? Because I have not used paragraph tag here. So I have to use paragraph tag if I want to use all the attributes of the paragraph. Okay, so let us add that one also. So p and slash p where at here. Okay, okay, now check it here. Okay, and now add the attribute align equals to center. Control S. Now look at the difference. Okay, So if you want to use all the attributes of the paragraph, you have to include paragraph tag on each and every paragraph. Now one more thing, this thing is about the formatting of the HTML uh, and paragraph tag. Now pre-formatted text. Let us check what happens in pre-formatted text. As in that I'm writing something like this: input devices. What are the input devices? I'm using the tab key here. Input devices are keyboard, mouse. Output devices, which are the output devices? Monitor, printer, and I think that I want to write about CPU also. So what is CPU? The CPU means central processing device. Okay. Now look, I have saved this file. Now look at the output here. See, they are showing everything in a single line. As I told you that your computer will ignore the tab key and the enter key. Okay, instead of it, they will show one single space. But what happens if I want same format in my output? I want same format like input devices, keyboard, mouse, output device model. I want them all in a different line. Then you have to use the pre-formatted text. How to write it? So pre, and at the end add /pre. Okay, like this. And I've saved this file, and now refresh your file. Okay, now see, you will be able to see that everything is same as I have written here. Yes, one change is there, the font has been changed. Okay, so to change the, okay, to if you want to show your text as you have written in the document, you have to use pre-formatted text tag. Okay, this is enough for today. We'll look for some formatting tags in next. So thank you, stay tuned on our channel. Have a nice day.